but it is pretty sunny. It's in the 40 something degrees, and my husband just got home again early. Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. As I told you guys, I am trying to upload daily, so I'm super excited for you guys to see this video, because if you guys don't know, I live in Chicago and Chicago's weather is finally getting better. Today it's pretty sunny outside. As you guys can see, the lighting, it's a little bit too much I think, but it is pretty sunny. It's in the 40 somethings or 50 something degrees, and my husband just got home again early. I actually took my kids out today. You guys see it's pretty sunny outside. I can't show you guys the whole view because I don't want to record the houses over there. So since my husband got home, I am going to do my makeup. Maybe we are going to go out somewhere, and I'm going to try to do it pretty fast because the forecast says that it might rain later in the day and tomorrow. So I'm not going to have good lighting like I am today, so I'm going to try to do this pretty fast. Hope you guys really like this video, and I'm super happy. I want to thank you guys so much for your support I've been getting, and wish you guys all the best in your journey too. Thank you guys so much, and don't forget to subscribe down below, comment and like and share, and follow me on my Instagram. The link is going to be down below to that and to all my social media. And let's get started with this look. So I'm going to start off by moisturizing my face. It's been pretty well, except I'm getting a little bit of pimples. But I've been using just Vaseline, and it's really oily, but since I have really dry skin, it works for me. So try that if you have dry skin, but I know it's super oily. Try this one. It's from Privage. Just gonna put it on my face. And I already did my eyebrows, as you guys can see. I'm going to do my face first, and for the foundation I'm going to use is Paris, and it's color Biscuit 2.5. To use as a contour, I'm going to use this CoverGirl Nature Looks, and it's actually a gloss. So I'm going to use concealer under my eyes, and I'm going to use these two colors right here in the end. For powder, I'm just going to use powder foundation that I have. It's really old, and then this brush. You can use any powder that you want. For bronzer, I'm going to be using this Tantalizer, and it's really pretty coppery shimmery shade. And then for blush, I'm gonna try to use blush now. I'm gonna use eyeshadow cream. For highlighter, I'm gonna be using this palette, Ellen Tracy, and I bought this in Marshall's, and I'm gonna use this for mixed with a little bit of this pink. Now I'm going to go onto the eyes, and I'm going to use the same foundation that I used for my face as the eyeshadow primer. Next, I'm going to be setting that with some powder. The first color I am going to use is this. I'm gonna be taking that color in the inner corners, just making like a wing look. Can you guys see on this eye? It's like the next color I'm gonna be using is a darker orange, and I'm just going to be tapping that on the outer edge of the eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to be taking that darker red and putting it on the outer corner. Also going to be dragging the color in. patting that color in the lid. darker red, and I'm going to press that onto the lashes. For mascara, I'm going to be using these two. This one is Mascara Baba de Caracol, and then this one is Aloe Vera and Vitamin E mascara. Onto eyeliner. For lipstick, I'm going to be taking these three. I do not know where they are from. This is in the color Gold Pouch GP6. This lip gloss and this other lip gloss on top of that. I'm going to line my lips. So last step, I'm actually going to be using this fixing spray. It's from Adara, here it is, and I bought this in Mexico. My face. So guys, this is the look, and it really turned out very coppery, orangey, spring type of look. Hope you guys enjoyed. Remember that I am uploading every other day, but I'm trying my best to upload every single day from now on. Don't forget to subscribe down below for more videos. Give this video a big thumbs up. Also, hit that little notification bell next to the subscribe button to get notified when I upload new videos. And also comment what you guys think about this look. And I will see you guys next time. Hasta pronto.